Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Techdo. Are you looking to spice up the text in your next video? Creating a video where the footage is placed within the text is a very popular effect. Creating the video inside text effect was once a daunting task as you needed to learn and use conventional heavy-duty video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. With Wondershare Filmora, you can create a video with the video in text effect in 5 easy steps, even if you have limited or no video editing skills. With its easy drag and drop video editing experience, Wondershare Filmora lets you create engaging videos with text. So I like Filmora because it is user-friendly and easy to use software. I have been using Filmora for more than 5 years for my YouTube video editing. Filmora has all the features of editings like video templates and animation templates. So the link to this software is available in the video description. After installation, you will see the interface like this. Here you need to click on Create New Project and then import the video that you want to use for text. For example, I want to use this video. Click on Open and then drag and drop it to your timeline. Or just click on the plus icon. Now click on Titles and then go to Plain Text. Here choose any text and then I set it to my full video length. Then right click on it and click on Edit Properties. Then you need to click on Advanced. Here go to Shapes and click on this shape. Now just enlarge it to full video. And here enter the text. For example, I write Techdo. You can also change the font size and the color. After it, I change its color to black. And on the top side, here we have animation option. You can apply any animation. Just double click on it and it will apply. Click on OK. Now again right click on it and go to Properties. Then click on Video. And in Compositing, here we have Blending Mode. Just change it normal to darken and click on OK. Now let me play the video. And here is the first animation that we have added and our video is playing in the text. So it's very easy and simple task. You can play your videos in text with 5 easy steps. So preview the file one last time before you click download. And you are done. An amazing looking video with the video in text effect in just a few minutes. Once you are satisfied with your video, click on Export button. You can choose the file format like MP4, WMV, MKV, AVI. Choose the file name, save path, resolution and click on Export. And it will be saved into your computer. So I think Filmora is the best video editing software, and the good thing is it's available for Windows and Mac OS. So the link to this software is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.